Because one would think that sycophancy possibly is the only way to thrive in the Congress party. After Sonia Gandhi was compared to a deity by Revanth Reddy, after Revanth Reddy recently said that people of Telangana are celebrating Christmas because of the contributions of Sonia Gandhi, in Maharashtra, a senior Congress leader seems to have compared Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram. We're talking about Nana Patole. Now, Nana Patole says that Rahul Gandhi is doing the work that Lord Ram was doing, and that is why he does not need to visit a temple. Let's listen into what Nana Patole has to say.
देखो, भगवान श्री राम का काम हमारे नेता राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि भगवान श्री राम का काम ही था शोषित, वंचित, पीड़ित लोगों को न्याय दिलाने का। और पूरे देश में घूमकर हमारे नेता वही काम जो भगवान श्री राम का था वही कर रहे हैं। मंदिर में जाके फोटो सेशन करने से ज्यादा शोषित पीड़ितों की सेवा करना, ये राहुल जी को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, जो भगवान श्री राम का काम था। कि राजू जी ने ही खुद रामलला का जो बंद किया हुआ ताला था वो खोलने का काम सिर्फ राजू जी ने किया था।
So let's get that right and put that into context once again, Rucha. We heard senior Congress leader of Maharashtra, Nana Patole, saying that Rahul Gandhi is doing the work of Lord Ram, dispensing justice to the harassed and the deprived, and that is why Rahul Gandhi does not need to visit the Ram Mandir, because he does not believe in what, as per Nana Patole, photo sessions. I want you to stay with us because we have Shaina NC joining us on the phone line. Ms. Shaina, good morning. Wishing you a very happy new year. But today, while the new year has been ushered in, but the same kind of sycophancy seems to be prevailing in the Congress party. Nana Patole, a senior Congress leader today, is saying that Rahul Gandhi is doing what Lord Ram used to do, literally comparing Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram. How do you look at this statement?
Well, this is the height of sycophancy. We all know that the Congress party is defunct of any ideology. First, let them first identify if they even believe in Lord Ram. And then to continue with this kind of phrase where you say that your leader is to be compared to Lord Ram, I think is the Congress party just trying to play to the gallery. It's extremely sorry situation where the Congress party does not even introspect on victory, defeat, leadership, all the issues that keep a government stable, keeps party stable. And there you have the sycophants going on praising Rahul Gandhi. Maybe this Lord Ram that they call has only one agenda, which is to go overseas and there defame India. So if he understands the importance of Bharat Mata, will he understand the importance of Lord Ram? And this kind of constant sycophancy is yet another twist in their story, because you have Digvijay Singh and Shashi Tharoor saying just the opposite vis-a-vis the leadership and Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And there you have a sycophant like Nana Patole doing the opposite. So obviously, this is best left to the Congress party to respond and not us. But having said that, do understand the status of a deity and the importance of Lord Ram in the lives of all Indians, and then talk about comparisons. The Tyag, Tapasya and the kind of sacrifices made by deities is a testimony to what Bharat stands for. Bhakti Bhavna is not something that the Congress party understands.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Shaina, for joining us on this broadcast. We also have Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, with us on this broadcast. Mr. Poonawalla, is this comparison of Rahul Gandhi, who earlier was called Jannayak, with Lord Ram, a political statement or a deliberate act of sycophancy, as we are seeing that has become a trend in the Congress party?
It's not just act of sycophancy, it is an insult to Prabhu Shri Ram. Can any human being be compared to Prabhu Shri Ram? तो भगवान श्री राम का अपमान is कांग्रेस की पहचान. First they compared Sonia Gandhi to Devti. They said that Sonia Gandhi की वजह से Christmas होता है. Now they are saying Rahul Gandhi ji is just like Shri Ram. And by the way, this is the same gang which says Ram ji is Kalpanik. This is the same gang which opposed Ram Mandir. So on the one hand, you will oppose Ram Mandir. You will say Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha is Naach Gana. Yesterday was the second Varshgant of the Pran Pratishtha. Nobody in the Congress party even tweeted about it, and today they are comparing Rahul Gandhi to Prabhu Shri Ram. So this shows that this is the Rome मानसिकता of Nana Patole. Rome मानसिकता वाले प्रभु श्री राम का हमेशा अपमान करते हैं, and he has hurt the feelings of crores of Hindus by comparing Rahul Gandhi, who says मंदिर जाने वाले लड़की छेड़ते हैं, to Prabhu Shri Ram.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Poonawalla, for joining us on this broadcast. So the BJP here is saying that this is not just sycophancy, this is also an insult to Hindus and all the believers of Lord Ram. So Nana Patole says that Rahul Gandhi is doing the work of Lord Ram, but then one would ask this question, if that is the case, and if the Congress now wants to compare Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram, why has the Congress party, or why have top leaders of the Congress, why hasn't Rahul Gandhi visited Ayodhya even once after the Pran Pratishtha of Lord Ram? Rucha, how are political parties in Maharashtra responding to this kind of statement made by Nana Patole?
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are targeting and criticizing the statement that Nana Patole has made. While he was questioned why till date Rahul Gandhi has not made any visit to the Ayodhya's Ram temple, he defended Rahul Gandhi, saying that Rahul Gandhi is only doing the work that was followed and was done by Lord Ram, and he is only serving justice to the harassed, to the deprived of the society. And when he was questioned if Rahul Gandhi will also be going to Ayodhya in near future, he said that till date Ayodhya tour is not planned of Rahul Gandhi, but whenever the time will come, Rahul will visit the Ayodhya's temple. And in fact, he also targeted at some of the leaders, some of the senior leaders who have visited Ayodhya's Ram temple. He said that instead of doing the photo shoot, going to the temple and taking pictures and uploading everywhere, Rahul Gandhi believes that he better follow what Lord Rama's path is, and he is only doing what Lord Rama used to do, and not doing it for photo shoots only. And this is also receiving a lot of criticism from the Hindu organizations as well as Bharatiya Janata Party and those who support this ideology. And Nana
Patole, this is not just this is not just sycophancy, this is an insult to the Hindu community. And they are also asking questions for a party that once in the Supreme Court denied the very existence of Lord Ram, for a party that does not think twice before insulting the Sanatan Dharma, for a party that keeps quiet when the Sanatan Dharma, its allies in Tamil Nadu, compare Sanatan Dharma to dengue, malaria and AIDS. Today, for a leader of the Congress party to compare Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram, is now reflecting what the Congress stands for. I want you to stay with us, Richa, because this is not the first time. And has sycophancy become the only way for leaders in the Congress to thrive? In the past, it was Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, who used the term deity to talk about Sonia Gandhi. Recently, at a Christmas gathering, he also said that Christians in Telangana are able to celebrate the festival because of Sonia Gandhi. And then in the past too, there were other leaders of the Congress party who have literally called Delhi or the Congress High Command or the Congress headquarters as their temple. Sample all those reactions.
को हम अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे, ये रेयर मॉडल लेकर देश में हम आगे जाएंगे. फाइनली ये लेटर, this is for me lifetime achievement, this is for me Oscar award, this is for me Nobel Prize. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी मुझे अप्रिशिएट करते हुए एक खत लिखा है. फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे काम कर सकता हूं, वेलफेयर कर सकता हूं, डेवलपमेंट कर सकता हूं और दूसरे कुर्सी में बैठ सकता हूं, मगर सोनिया जी अप्रिशिएशन जो लेटर खत लिखा मेरा नाम पे, सोनिया जी खुद दस्तखत कर देके. फॉर मी दिस इज लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट. थैंक यू.
जननायक, जनता ने यह पदवी दिया है, जननायक का पदवी. तो जब कोई पदवी जनता देती है तो उसे कौन चुरा सकता है? प्रधानमंत्री के लाख प्रयास के बावजूद वो चोरी नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए कि राहुल गांधी जनता के दिलों पे राज करते हैं। हमें यह लगता है कि कर्पूरी ठाकुर तो हैं, बिहार के लिए कर्पूरी ठाकुर जननायक हैं, राहुल जी पूरे देश के लिए जननायक हैं।
Atul Bhatkalkar of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Bhatkalkar, good morning. Today a Congress leader has compared Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram. And this is Nana Patole, he says, because Rahul Gandhi is doing what Lord Ram used to do. He does not need to visit the Ram Mandir for any kind of photo session. How do you react to the statement coming in from a top voice in the Congress party?
Comparing Bhagwan Prabhu Ramachandra with person like Rahul Gandhi is nothing but insult of Bhagwan Prabhu Ramchandra and insult of whole Hindu society. Unfortunately, this is the tradition of Congress. They always insult gods of Hindu society and Hindu society itself. So I strongly condemn Nana Patole's this comparison, these words, and Nana Patole and Congress should tender unconditional apology to the Hindu society because he compared the human like Rahul Gandhi, which has no capacity, no dedication, that also with Bhagwan Prabhu Ramachandra, and in coming ensuing elections, corporation or Jilla Parishad. So Hindu Samaj will teach lesson to the Congress once again.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bhatkalkar, for joining us. So the BJP once again calling this an insult to the Hindu society, and also it's an insult of Lord Ram itself. Once again, for those who are joining us on this broadcast, Nana Patole, a top leader of the Congress party in Maharashtra, has said that Rahul Gandhi is doing what Prabhu Shri Ram used to do, and that is why he does not need to visit a temple, because he does not believe in photo op opportunities. Rucha, Nana Patole's comment has been touted as an insult to the Hindu community and also to Lord Ram itself. The BJP and the Shiv Sena are going all out. Is the Congress party giving out a defense, or is Nana Patole himself giving out a defense?
Well, definitely many of the leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party and many Hindu organizations are clearly offended. Many Hindus are offended as Nana Patole has compared Lord Rama with Rahul Gandhi, and while he was only saying that Rahul Gandhi is doing work of Ram and he doesn't have to go to temples and take pictures and upload everywhere. He instead believes that what Lord Rama used to do, he is only following his path, and till now no further comment from Congress party is out yet. Nobody else has spoken on this. While Nana Patole remains on his statement, what he has made, and this is not the first time that Nana Patole has made any controversial statement in terms of Lord Rama or in terms of Ayodhya's Ram temple. And while he was questioned whether Rahul Gandhi in future will be visiting the Ayodhya's Ram temple, he said till date his tour for Ayodhya is not planned, but whenever that happens, Rahul Gandhi will visit to Ayodhya's Sri Ram temple. And he also pointed out that there was lock on Lord Rama's temple, which was opened by Rajiv Ji. Now this starts another controversy, how he is now stating that Congress party was the one who opened the locks of Lord Rama's temple, and that is definitely Congress party trying to take the credit
take credit or rewrite history. Right now, it is a senior leader of the Congress party, Mr. Nana Patole, who has said that Rahul Gandhi does not need to visit a temple. Why? Because Rahul Gandhi is doing what Lord Ram used to do. Likening him to Lord Ram, this comes months after the Congress party built an entire campaign around Rahul Gandhi during the Bihar elections, and we saw how the results turned out. During the Bihar elections, Rahul Gandhi was called Jannayak, and now Rahul Gandhi has been compared to Lord Ram. Once again, listening to what Nana Patole said.
देखो, भगवान श्री राम का काम हमारे नेता राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि भगवान श्री राम का काम ही था शोषित, वंचित, पीड़ित लोगों को न्याय दिलाने का। और पूरे देश में घूमकर हमारे नेता वही काम जो भगवान श्री राम का था वही कर रहे हैं। मंदिर में जाके फोटो सेशन करने से ज्यादा शोषित पीड़ितों की सेवा करना, ये राहुल जी को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, जो भगवान श्री राम का काम था। कि राजू जी नहीं, खुद रामलला का जो बंद किया हुआ ताला था वो खुलने का काम सिर्फ राजू जी ने किया था।
Thank you, Richa, for joining us with that big story. And we are now going to shift our focus. Viewers, I want you to look at these visuals. How did you celebrate your New Year's?